Introducing Kalore, an innovation in aesthetic restorations from GC America. Utilizing exclusive new monomer technology from DuPont, Kalore challenges the status quo by taking aesthetic restorations to the next level, making them more sculptable, easier to polish, with exceptional gloss and highly resistant to wear. Kalore is non-sticky due to the new patented HDR filler technology, while the DuPont's monomer stiff core and flexible arms create putty-like properties and make it easier to spread. More and more thought leaders in the dental industry are recognizing that shrinkage stress, more so than volumetric shrinkage, is the key factor in determining how a composite will perform over its lifetime. Due to the new DuPont monomer technology, Kalore has the lowest shrinkage stress of all composites on the market today, which means less stress around the fillers and better durability and longevity for the restoration. Kalore offers 3 opacities for precision shade matching and blending. Whether you choose to use a single shade or multiple shades for polychromatic stratification, your restorations will look as beautiful as a ceramic restoration, as smooth and perfect, almost like porcelain. For more information about Kalore, please contact your GC America representative today or visit us online at www.gcamerica.com or www.kalore.net.